Hi, I'm Anoosha. I make skincare related videos. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am going to be reviewing 2% hyaluronic acid and 1% niacinamide from Deconstruct. Actually, I have used the 3.3% potassium azelaicyl diglycinate breakout control serum from Deconstruct. I liked that product very much and I have a review on that serum as well. I'll leave it there and description as well. So I went ahead and shopped some more products from Deconstruct, but my experience with this serum is not at all pleasant. I don't like this product. I have my reasons and I'll mention why. First, coming to the packaging, it comes in a dropper packaging with frosted glass bottle, and it retails for $3.99 for 15 ml of product. The pricing is standard. Now coming to the ingredients of the product, the main ingredient is 2% hyaluronic acid. And we have also got 1% niacinamide, I think as a barrier supportive ingredient, because niacinamide can work at even 0.2% concentrations also.
Along with the main ingredients that are hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, we also have got good humectants like the three ingredients that I am showing on the screen, and butylene glycol, which is also a good humectant, but they have also added black pepper seed extract, which can be very sensitizing on the skin.
Now this is mainly hyaluronic acid based product, so I have expected a good hydration and plumpness in my skin, but it did not happen. Every time I have applied it, it made my skin look very greasy and shiny and oily within like 2 to 3 hours. Every time I have faced that issue with this serum, I have given it a fair try. I have used it for like around 7 to 8 times, but every time the same thing has happened. Normally I wash my face only twice a day, but whenever I am using this serum, by afternoon I felt like washing my skin, and I felt like I need to take that grease out of my skin. It made my skin that greasy and oily. If my skin is getting greasy, I'll break out very easily. That's the last thing I want in my skin. So I don't feel like reaching out to this product. Even for the 7 to 8 times I have used this just to test so that I can review. I want to make sure that the product is not working. I don't want to just throw a negative review using it for 1 or 2 times. So I have tested it thoroughly. I do not like this product at all. If you have like very dry skin, you may like this. For combination to oily skin like mine, this product did not work. If you have already used this and if this product did work for you, please mention it in the comment section so that other people will know whether it will work or not. So I won't be repurchasing this product, and this is a no from my side. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a like. Also do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.